So here is week 5 database management system NPTEL 2025 assignment solutions. I have solved before your final submission. Please do cross check and then only submit. For the question number 1, option D, question 2, B and C, question number 3, C, question number 4, C, question number 5, B, question number 6, B, question number 7, D, uh, it may be question number 7, C also correct, but here I'm going through D, because in that two conditions are given, which is satisfying the conditions based on that only. So the more closest answer, 7th D, 8th C, 9th B, 10th D. This is how 10th D, 9th B, 8th C, 7th D, 6th B, 5th B, 4th C, 3C, and 2BC, and 1D. This is correct answers. Okay, so you can solve it. Hmm? Thank you so much.